and welcome to my channel Standpunkt. On this channel we will explore various standpoints around important events in history. I will present different perspectives on historical research and quote the sources thereof. I encourage you to study these different sources of information. I would like to begin with a series on the ambiguities of Indian historical research. Consider the question, was there ever an Aryan invasion of India? Now, some colonial historians as well as some contemporary historians would have us believe that around 1500 to 1700 BC, there was an invasion of the subcontinent by nomadic and semi-nomadic tribes called Aryans who originated somewhere in the steppe near Kazakhstan. These tribes crossed over through the Khyber Pass and other passes in the northwest frontier and conquered and destroyed the indigenous Indus Valley civilization. These tribes were pastoralists, whereas we are told that the Indus Valley people were city people and settled people. What then is the basis of this theory? How have the historians arrived at these assumptions? At the outset, let me make it clear that there is no archaeological evidence or any artifacts of any kind found either in the subcontinent or in Central Asia or any other place which support the Aryan invasion theory. The Aryan invasion theory rests on two pillars. The first is that there was a racial difference between the invading Aryans and the indigenous Harappan people. These invading Aryans were supposedly tall and fair as opposed to the indigenous people, the Harappan people. We are told that these Harappan people were short and dark-skinned. The second important difference is that supposedly the Aryans possessed chariots, war chariots, and horses and weapons of iron, whereas the Indus Valley people did not have any chariots or any weapons for that matter, and no iron at all. There is another significant fundamental pillar of this Aryan invasion theory, which is the fact that there is supposedly a R1A1 gene called as the Aryan gene, which is apparently present in large sections of the North Indian population, the population of northern Pakistan also, and also large sections of the northern European population. This gene is supposed to originate from somewhere in Kazakhstan. So on the basis of this, people have come to the conclusion that there was a mass migration of people from Kazakhstan region around the steppe into India. And they say this happened around 1500 to 1700 BC because in the diggings and the excavations that are found predating 1500 to 1700 BC, we do not find evidence of the R1A1 gene, the supposed Aryan gene. So this is the main basis of the Aryan invasion theory. In our next video, we will examine the counter to this theory, which is the out of the subcontinent theory, which says that the Aryan was an indigenous culture and not a race. And in fact, they spread from the subcontinent to other areas throughout Central Asia and Europe. We will look at the evidence and the counter to the Aryan invasion theory. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Aryan invasion theory. I look forward to your feedback. See you next time. Thank you.